JoJo Gnome and the Animal Masks. Auntie Molly was cleaning out her craft room and Ella and JoJo were watching her. "What are those?" asked JoJo Gnome, looking at a pile of card that his aunt was just about to put in the recycling bin. There were circles, triangles, and rectangles. "I'm finished with these shapes, but you can have them if you want," said his aunt. JoJo Gnome put one of the circles over his face. "You know, you could go wild and make some masks with those shapes," said Auntie Molly. "Oh, we could go really wild and make some animal masks," said Ella. "Great idea," said JoJo Gnome, "and I know exactly what animal mask I'm going to make." What shapes did JoJo Gnome use, and what animals did he make? What do you think?
At St. Roch Primary and their school, we think JoJo made circles into pigs, rectangles into cows, and triangles into deer. These are our ideas. What mask will you make? We love JoJo Gnome.